Before you let a roofer up on your roof, watch this. I'm walking you through the entire repair process from start to finish. Every repair starts with a thorough inspection. And here's something most people don't realize. The leak inside your home is usually not directly above where the water is actually getting in. A proper inspection covers your attic, the roof surface, and the flashing around chimneys and vents, and any other problem areas. The roofer should be taking photos throughout the inspection, documenting what they find so you can actually see the damage for yourself. Before any work starts, you should receive a written estimate, and it should be specific. What's damaged, what's being fixed, what materials are being used, and why that work is necessary. Here's a good way to think about it. Your contractor should diagnose your roof like a doctor, write the scope of work out like a lawyer, and explain it to you like a kindergarten teacher. Now, if a contractor tells you that you need a full replacement, their documentation should back that up with actual evidence. A repair usually makes sense if your roof is under 15 years old and the shingles are still in decent shape. Replacement starts making more sense when the roof is older, the damage is widespread, or you're getting reoccurring leaks. Once work begins, most repairs are completed in a day or less. You should receive photos of every stage. Repairs typically run between $800 to $3,500 plus, depending on complexity. If a crew runs across additional damage that wasn't previously seen, prices could change as well based on what's found. A properly done repair should last for the remaining life of your roof, not just a few seasons. If a leak comes back after the repair, contact your contractor right away. A good contractor will come back, investigate, and if it's a workmanship issue with the original repair, fix it at no charge. Before work even starts, ask them, what happens if the repair doesn't resolve the leak? How they answer that question will tell you a lot. Now that you know what to expect, your next step is understanding what happens when you need to go further than just a repair. So I'll link our roof replacement guides below. Next stop, a better roof.